It's Gorilla. And the author's name is Peggy Rathman. She wrote the words. Good night, Gorilla. He took his keys. Uh-oh, Zookeeper's keys. Naughty Gorilla. Good night, Elephant. Good night, Lion. Good night, Hyena. Good night, Giraffe. Good night, Armadillo. All the animals follow Zookeeper home. Look at the giraffe sneaking into the house. How silly. The gorilla's yawning. Oh my goodness. Silly story. Good night, dear. Look, they're all sleeping. They're all sleeping. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. Uh-oh. Whose eyeballs are those? That's the wife's eyeballs. She's like, wait a minute. The gorilla is sleeping in bed with a zookeeper. What a silly gorilla. Uh-oh, so the wife takes all the animals back to the zoo. That's where they need to go sleeping. Good night, Zoo. And Gorilla and Mouse are following her back home again. Good night, dear. Good night. And Gorilla and Mouse are crawling under the covers. Look how cute. Good night, Gorilla. And the gorilla is snoring in bed with the zookeeper and his wife. How silly is that? And that's the end of our story. Did you like that? Yeah. What was your favorite part, Spencer? What was your favorite part? What was your